Welcome back to Aviation This Week. Today's edition is brought to you by Nolinor Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. I'm Justin Bellmore, and this is your aviation news. Your top story: IMP Aerospace is awarded Norwegian P-3 Orion contract. Then, Time magazine embraces the age of the drone with their spectacular magazine cover. And Nolinor will invest $10 million to modernize Boeing 737 navigation. We'll have all your aviation news right after this quick message from our sponsor. The Royal Norwegian Air Force will be entrusting a Canadian company with the upkeep of their P-3 Orion fleet. IMP Aerospace in Halifax, Nova Scotia, was awarded the contract by the Norwegian Defence Logistics Organization after a competitive international bidding process. In addition to maintenance inspections, the multi-year contract includes in-service support work, all to be done at IMP's facilities in Halifax. The P-3 Orion aircraft performs strategic patrol missions in the detection of submarine threats, search and rescue support, and shoreline surveillance off the coast of Norway. They also perform economic zone and shipping lane protection. IMP Aerospace VP Tom Galley says, "This award further demonstrates our competitiveness in the marketplace and our reputation as a world-class provider of a broad range of in-depth aircraft ISS services." For the first time in the magazine's history, Time takes to the skies for a special cover. To create the first-time cover shot by a drone, Time worked with Intel's Drone Light Show team, Australia's Aerial Cinema Systems, and LA Drones, and used 958 drones to display a precise shade of red and another large one to hold a camera in the air at just the right angle. Animation lead at Intel, Tim Heath, said the major challenge for this animation was in the height they needed to fly while getting the resolution they wanted. The animation was over 100 meters tall. Nolinor Aviation of Mirabel, Quebec, is investing in a new technology program to upgrade the avionics systems in its fleet of 10 Boeing 737-200 aircraft. Nolinor says the new tech will minimize delays caused by electromechanical and analog equipment failures. They also say it will maximize the availability for last-minute trips, including flights in much more limited airspace, and reduce the time required for maintenance troubleshooting. Nolinor expects this modernization process to take 5 to 6 years for a total investment of $10 million. This is Annex Business Media's Niche TV. Thanks again to our sponsor, Nolinor Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. The CBAA conference in Waterloo, June 12th to 14th, features cutting-edge aircraft on display like the Pilatus PC-12NG. And make sure to tune in to our next episode on Friday, June 15th, for all the latest in aviation news. I'm Justin Bellmore. We'll see you next time.